For over 50 years, Airedale by Modine has been at the forefront of innovation in thermal management solutions. As we commemorate our Golden Jubilee, we take pride in our journey, which is underpinned by engineering excellence, the dedication of our people, and a commitment to sustainability. Established in 1974, we have led the way in delivering cutting-edge cooling solutions for mission-critical environments worldwide. From data centers, the physical infrastructure supporting our digital lifestyles, to the life-saving corridors of healthcare facilities, the connectivity backbone of telecom networks, and the healthy environments supporting the education of future generations. Our commitment to providing efficient, high-quality, end-to-end cooling solutions remains unwavering. Our unique systems approach with world-leading products supported by intelligent software ensures that our HVAC systems operate intelligently, maximizing cooling performance while minimizing energy consumption. With production facilities expanding across the globe, our potential knows no bounds. And with the launch of our largest UK site to date in Bradford, boasting an impressive 14.6 acres and additional 2 megawatts test center, we're serious about our key markets both here in the UK and abroad, wherever our customers need us. Our illustrious journey to date is adorned with milestones, from trailblazing the adoption of lower GWP refrigerants to introducing game-changing solutions such as the Smart Cool 1 and Airwall 1. Our legacy is etched with the spirit of relentless innovation. Sustainability isn't just a principle either, it's ingrained in our DNA. We recognize the pivotal role that air conditioning manufacturers play in nurturing and preserving our planet. That's why we are steadfast in our commitment to developing energy-efficient solutions that not only mitigate carbon footprints, but also pave the way for a greener, more sustainable future for generations to come. As we celebrate 5 decades of innovation, we are eagerly looking to the future, anticipating the next chapter of our journey. Join us as we continue to shape the future of thermal management, one sustainable solution at a time.